In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use an unlimited free software and create amazing AI generated videos like this with the help of some text or animating one image or a video. I'm going to show you all the features of this software. This is unlimited free software and a great competitor of Soda or Lumiere. With that, let us begin with the tutorial. Well, the name of the software is Haiper. You will get the link in the description below. Go to Haiper AI and just click on try for free option. That will lead you to the dashboard. You will have to sign up when you're using for the first time. The first thing which you can see, limitless videos which are created from amazing prompts by other creators. Now, the best part is if you just go to individual videos, you get their prompts as well. You can copy the same prompt, copy the seed number and create one of similar type. Or else, you can also go and directly download these videos. With that being said, let us do the first procedure from video to video. For this, all we need to do is just copy the prompt from here and cross it. Now, come here in the bottom, this bar, and just paste your prompt, okay? I was using this one, right? I will come here again, and I will just copy this seed number. Why seed number is important? Because seed number gives the reference of this particular video to the algorithm so that it can create a similar kind of video, but not exactly similar. Okay, so how do we give it? We need to go to this option and here we have the seed number. You can just paste it. Okay, now at this moment we have two duration options, 2 seconds and 4 seconds. 4 seconds take a much longer time, around 2 minutes or so. That's why for the sake of this tutorial, I'm taking 2 seconds long duration only. If you want to publicly publish your video, then use this. Otherwise, you can keep this toggle off. So for the time being, I'm keeping it on. Now here, instead of white color, I will just change it to pink and go to create option. This is our first attempt. Let's see how does it get created. And once it starts creating or gets created, it comes under this creations option in the left hand side widget. If I'm okay, then I can simply go to this download button or I can share it. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. Go to this creation mode. Okay, now create the video with text because that's what we are doing, right? Now I will give a very generic comment. Let's suppose this is very generic prompt. You can use animation style. You can use, but for the time being, I'm not using anything. Here also, I'm giving 2 seconds only and create. And just wait and see how the generic prompt creates the video. Then you will see the difference and I will show you how exactly this particular software do work. Now, as I was telling you, that we need to understand what are the segments of one prompt. So what I'll do is to understand that I'll just copy any random prompt. Let's suppose this video I liked, so I'm taking this prompt. Now go to ChatGPT or Bing or Bard and just say, suppose target audience and genre, you will have to give that. Setting or plot, this is space friends, walking on Mars. You can change this. Additional setting, they are giving floating planets and stars. You can give dark forest, a beam of light coming from the left corner. So like that, okay? Now visual style, neon color. You can give any other color or any other style like Pixar 3D style or low light or studio lighting or natural lighting or something like that. and technical specification is 8K, Ultra HD, Cinematic, close up, or you can give 35mm camera shot. All these things are technical terms. Okay, you can add that in order to make the algorithm understand what exactly am I expecting. So this is how you will have to break. I have made this prompt, and now this time I'm not going to use any seed. Instead I'm going to use, so I'm taking icon style and then create. Let's see how does it appear. Next is cyberpunk style text to video. So I'm just adding a simple text and I will select cyberpunk. You notice as soon as I use any one of these formats, it is recreating the prompt, right? And here again, I'm keeping 2 seconds. You may go for 4 seconds and then create. Let's see how does it appear to be. So this is how you can choose any of these formats and create your own video. With that, let us move forward to the next feature. I'll go to creation mode, and the next feature which I'm going to explore is animate your HD image. Here I'm going to take one image. So I will simply go to upload image option, and here I'm going to upload this image. Now here I'm giving a prompt. This is how I have given my prompt, simple prompt, and create. I'm not going to give any seed or anything. And next we will move forward to the next point where we will repaint a video. That means I can restyle a video. Let's suppose I'm taking any of these videos. Well, let me take this video. Here it shows that an alien, small little alien, is having pizza. So I'll give, and I will go for Ghibli option, and let's see how does it come up. So that is pretty much about Haiper. Please do let me know how did you find it, and I look forward for your comment. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section, and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.